Hi, I'm Dominic Wright. I'm the co-founder of Generation 3D. We're a 3D printing service provider who specialize in interior design projects. So what we do is we take different designs and architectural components and we 3D print them. So we take them right from design stage. We create the 3D files ourselves in-house. We 3D print them in our 7,000 square foot facility in Alcuz. We also have our own installation and finishing team. Where we specialize in is the most complex elements and complex parts of an interior design project. We're able to manufacture them fairly easy in Dubai locally and complete the full installation. Sushi Samba is one of the landmark projects that we just completed. We 3D printed the entire roof of Sushi Samba, which is the largest 3D printing project ever completed in interior design. Over 15,000 different parts and 2 kilometers of 3D printed bamboo. 100% designed, 3D printed and installed by us, Generation 3D, here in Dubai. If you're in Dubai, you can visit our office in Alcuz and workshop. We'd be happy to welcome you, or